up, YouTube? Are you ready? We're gonna go into some sidewind technique today. So, tribal from the trap. Tribal from the trap is my style, tribal fusion. What I'm gonna teach you is the famous sidewinder broken down today, okay? So, when you really get into it and you're really dancing it, that's when it kind of takes on a life of its own. But there are a lot of elements in this that make it look like what it is, okay? So you have to understand many things. I'm gonna give you a basic overview, but if you come to my school, I'll teach you everything so you can just be amazing, okay? Anyway, let's go. So before we carry on, please hit like and subscribe, all that good stuff, and then I will teach you. Okay, so option one, first things first, we always start with a shimmy, always. So we're gonna bend those knees, then you're gonna put the weight into the heels of the feet, scissor your thighs forward and back. All right, we're gonna go into a slightly different shimmy today because I feel like it. I feel like doing something different, so let's go. All right, so what we're gonna do now, just as part of our warm up, which is gonna give us a bit of a workout and a bit of an abdominal workout at the same time, is you're gonna just bend and tiptoe, bend, tiptoe, bend, tiptoe, bend, tiptoe, bend. And now when you put your heels on the floor, try not to stamp on the floor really hard. Put your heels down really gently and really slowly, okay? And then from there, you're gonna twist your pelvis or twist your hips even, like this. Now, if you're a belly dancer already, I don't want you to lock it, okay? We're gonna turn it into a shimmy, so keep it nice and loose. Hip goes forward, hip goes forward. I'm gonna come a little bit closer. So, you're going towards your belly button, towards your belly button, towards your belly button, towards your belly button. And then just kind of like swing it and rock it. And then you'll try and keep your chest really still. Don't let your chest move, okay? It's one of my favorite shimmies. Keep the belly engaged. If you squeeze it, halfway tummy pop. In my school, we always do halfway tummy pop. And rotate those hips. Okay? So you're gonna swing. Now careful your arms aren't going mad, okay? You're gonna keep your arms nice and still. Okay, and the chest still. Okay, option one, stay as you are. Option two, a little bit faster. Go, 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 go. My legs are together. My knees are not twisting. My weight is in the heels of my feet. And if you are just eaten, you're gonna get a stitch very quickly. Never mind. Let's go. All right. Go. Twist, 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 twist. Okay. Tiptoe and flat. Tiptoe and flat. Tiptoe and flat. Tiptoe and flat. What am I doing? Look. I added on this with my twist. Okay, keep your chest nice and still. Okay, you don't have to go as fast as this. You can go slower if you prefer. Okay, it's just a warm up for the obliques. It's like wringing out a towel with your waist. Yes, it's really good for you. It's really good for you. You're getting a stitch. Oh well. Okay, let's go. For 4, for 3, for 2, for 1. Okay, we're gonna do that in between our training for our sidewinder arms. First things first, one arm at a time. So just chill out, soften the legs, forget about this arm, forget about it. I want you to caress the air with the back of this hand. Caress the air. Okay, get to a diagonal, and then you're gonna pull down, and you're gonna stroke the side of your face. And then look, my palm turns forward. I push away with the base of my palm. Turn it and up it. Pull it. Flip it. Push it. Flip it. Up it. Yeah? Okay. Pull it. Push it. Flip it. Up it. Caress the side of your face. And push. So if you come to my school, there's so much more going on in my body when I do this than what I'm saying. So you have to come find out all the secrets in my classes, okay? You can do it on Zoom. You can do it live stream on Zoom. Get loads of feedback from me. You can do it online subscription only, £20 a month, which is basically log in whenever you want and watch the videos. They're not just random videos, they're courses. So progress with me like going to school or university from one week to the next. And progress. Progression is important, right? Yeah, or you can do it in studio or private lessons. Okay, let's change sides. All right, so we're gonna pull push it, push it, push it. Did you pay attention? I said up. I said pull. I said flip it. Palm, palm, palm. Push here. Yeah, out. Flip it. Up it. Pull it. Caress. Push it. Okay, let's go. Boom. This is massive. This is massive, massive, massive sidewinder arms. You won't necessarily, you could do massive sidewinder arms, yeah? You can do them really big depending on what it is that you're saying. Really reminds me of samba actually, yeah? And then there's really small ones. You can really use the same technique to make it really fluid and flowy. And you can really use the body as well. But for you to understand, I'm just giving you the real basic breakdown, okay? Because that's how you learn. You have to learn from the beginning. All right, twists. Soften those knees. Option 1, just go into up and down shimmy if the twist doesn't suit you. For example, if you've got a bad back or bad knees or something, you can just stay here like this, okay? All right, and then if you wanted to, we can turn it into the twist. So keep your legs soft and rotate the hips. Exactly what we just did in the warm-up. Okay, keep your chest elevated, grow your neck. Remember, really long neck, really long neck, really long neck. Don't lose it, don't lose it. Your arms long. Don't let your arms go crazy. Don't let them go crazy and then face aside. So you can see, squeeze the belly, squeeze the belly, squeeze the belly. I just love this costume. This costume makes me feel like a superhero, like I should be an X-Men or something. They should cast me for the next role. Okay, anyway, chest nice and still. All right, go. Breathe, 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 breathe. Don't stop. I can see you. Come on, let's go. Twist it, twist it, twist it. Okay, option 1, as you are. Option 2, up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Make sure your knees keep pacing. Facing 12 o'clock. Don't let your knees twist, okay? It's only your waist and your obliques that's twisting. So it's a really good workout for your abdominals. Come on, come on. 10. How fast can you go? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, so then what we're going to do, that is just getting rid of something. So have this on you, record on your phone. Anyway, so now we're going to alternate. This is a quick overview, okay? I'm missing out loads of really juicy details, but you have to come to my school and train with me to know those things, okay? Anyway, so 1 pushes and 1 pulls, okay? So we go. Take your time, take your time, take your time. Pay attention, pay attention, pay attention. Check it. Look at you, look at me, look at me, look at you. Do you look like this? Okay, other side. Pull. Up. Stop, pause. Look at me, look at you, look at you, look at me. What's going on? Check it, fix it. I'm giving you a moment. Okay, let's go. Tack. And go. Tack. Tack. Uh-oh. I dare you to slowly look towards the straight arm. Slowly look towards it. Slowly look towards it. Keep your neck, keep your chest lifted. So tribal from the trap is my style tribal fusion. I think I said that a billion times already. It's my style tribal fusion. It's really girly, it's really feminine, but it's also really strong and really powerful. And there's loads of really cool signature moves that I have that I teach you as well as the traditional moves. I say traditional, but traditional moves are the famous moves like this, which is called the Sidewinder. And tribal fusion is not tribal fusion for me without a really good old Sidewinder. Okay. Alright, so when you start to understand the dynamics of how to use your arms, that's when it gets really awesome. You can get really creative. So in my school, I love to teach you how to move from the depths of your being, but also to move like you, to find your own flavor, your own style, and really make the movements look good on your body, not mine and no one else's. Okay, let's go back to our twists. Option 1, do your loose shimmy. Okay, so driving through the heels, put the hips up and down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Option 1, keep that going. Option 2, twists. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, one arm. Pull, 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 pull. Caress. Push it, push it, push it. Okay, I'm coming closer. I'm gonna come down here. Yeah, why not? Pull and push. Flip it, up it. Pull it. Push it. Other side. Pull. Push. Flip it. Pull it. Push it. Flip it. Pull it. Okay. One more time, loose shimmy. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Come on, come on, come on. 3, 2, 1. Twist. 10, 9, 8. Come on. 7, 6, 5. Smile. 4, 3, 2. Adding on, up and down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Come on. Breathe. Alternating. Uh-oh. Make your arms take the same speed. Take the same speed. Okay, can you look? Okay, so if you're brand new, chances are your hands are going all over the place and you don't know which hand is where. You don't know your right hand from your left hand from your right hand. Don't worry, it's normal. But if you're concentrating, just concentrate on this. Otherwise, I'd love you to start to look towards your straight arm. Start to look towards your straight arm. And start to look towards your straight arm. And think about caressing the air, okay? Caressing the air. Yes. So, a little bit of sidewinders. There's lots and lots of different ways to move, which I really, really love, and I teach you all in my school. But for now, that's enough. Hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up. And follow and like and subscribe and all that good stuff, and I will see you soon. It's MelissaBellyDance.com, and I look forward to teaching you even more, ideally in person or on Zoom. Okay, so mwah, mwah, mwah. Thank you, thank you, thank you.